We are going to review Mellow Matte ng Squad Cosmetics. So, ito yung swatches niya. This is Gentle, Click, Rosy, Timeless, Clean Girl, Romantic, Fiery, Cafe Au Lait, Peaches, Bad, Delicate, Scarlet, and Old Money. Here are all the swatches of the Mellow Matte na Squad. This is in the shade Fiery. This is in the shade Clean Girl. Isa to sa favorite shades ko. This is in the shade Romantic. This is in the shade Old Money. This is in the shade Timeless. This is in the shade Cafe Au Lait. I like this color. This is in the shade Delicate. This is in the shade Bad. This is in the shade Romantic. This is in the shade Scarlet. This is in the shade Rosy. This is in the shade Gentle. And this is in the shade Click. Let's try kung katulad siya ng formula ng Detail lipstick na kanilang matte. Hindi siya transfer proof. This is just a comfortable feeling ng lipstick. It's not matte. Look, hindi siya transfer proof. Pero ano, let's wait for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Hindi talaga, promise, hindi siya transfer proof. Hindi katulad yung ano, yung katulad sa Detail na sobrang transfer proof niya. Na gusto ko talaga, wow. I like all the shade range of this one. Not bad for 199 pesos with this one. Yan lang yung hindi siya transfer proof gaya ng claims nila. Mas transfer proof pa yun sa Detail. Kasi I have one of their lippies and it's my favorite. Actually, ang masusuot ko dito, favorite shade ko ay si Scarlet at si Cafe Au Lait. Ito si Cafe Au Lait. I like the color. Ito yung ano, kapareho ni Biscotti. Tapos sa red, si Scarlet yung ma-recommend ko.